Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another bag review since I decided to be adventurous and venture out to try some brands that I've not tried before, which is this time around FURLA, and I'll be trying out the new collection 20191, which is the FURLA MIMÍ mini crossbody bag. If you're following their pages, you'll probably see like some photos and videos that post with the bags. And when I saw it, I was just like, I have to get it because it's so cute and I wonder how it's gonna be like. So I decided to go and get it, and I realized that there's not much reviews or information that people can find about it online. To like get the bag, you can reference it and see if you want to get it. So yeah, let's get started. The bag inside the dust bag, and I'll open up and show it to you guys. The FURLA MIMÍ mini crossbody bag. Personally, I would call it the mandarin or orange color, but you can find this shade under the Kiss F red in their FURLA side, which is quite cute. I don't know why they call it red, but yeah. So it's actually a mini bag, but personally I think it's leaning towards more of the small side, but it's still small enough that it's convenient to carry it around, and it's quite cute and fun size. It's more of like the fun size. And so there's different compartments in the bag. I will probably show you guys a close-up now so that you guys can get a clearer idea and how you can style it and carry it around. So yeah, let's go. So here's the bag close-up. As you can see, the color is really popping orange, and you can open it simply by clicking the clip in front. Really convenient, and it's really spacious, and that's the logo. The inside is orange color, and it comes with a chain for your shoulder to rest your shoulder on, like easy to carry around. Just there's so much space to put stuff, and there is the leather part. There's very strong leather smell as well. So overall it's a really good bag. It also comes with a back compartment where you can put your wallet or card holder. Really convenient. So there's two ways you can carry the bag, either as a shoulder bag, or you can make the chain longer and it will become a crossbody bag, whichever like fits your style that day. So this is the what can be fit inside the bag time. So let's open up the bag and try to fit some stuff inside and see how much you can fit. So first I'll be fitting my makeup pouch, which I store my makeup in a pouch so it don't dirty the bag interior. And there is still some space left. Next up, I will be putting a straw. I usually like to bring a reusable straw around, so you know, save the environment. There is still space because it's small and tiny. And then I'll put my card holder, wallet card holder again. It's easier to bring a card holder when it comes to this bag, or you can simply just put behind at the back compartment for more space, to make space in front. And then lastly, my Invisalign trays. I still have to bring it around until I have to stop wearing my retainer. So there's still some space around, but I wouldn't try to like squeeze too many things so the bag wouldn't go out of shape. And just clip it and voila, you're done. So that's all for today's bag review for the FURLA MIMÍ mini crossbody bag. If you have any more questions or things you would like to find out more about the bag, you can always ask me or message me. I will be happy to help you guys in this area. So thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!